Hello little artists. Welcome back to mini study class. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. In today's video, we draw a heart shape. So kids, let's start. At first we took a black marker. Next we draw a curved line. Just like that. Here we draw another curved line. And join this too. This is a heart shape. Now it's time to coloring. Here we use red color to color the heart shape. Children, did you like that? Today we draw and learn. Red color. Today we having some fun. Today's episode only for fun. Let's draw it very carefully. Red color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.